Learn Hindi frequency words. Sometimes, always, often, rarely in.
Hindi.
Welcome to your Hindi adventure. Hey, you are in the right place if you want useful Hindi fast. Today you will learn 4 super handy frequency words and actually remember them. Our stars today are sometimes equals,
कभी कभी.
always equals,
हमेशा.
often equals,
अक्सर.
and rarely equals.
शायद ही कभी.
Think of them as a scale.
हमेशा.
Is all the time.
अक्सर.
Is many times.
कभी कभी.
Is now and then, and.
शायद ही कभी.
Is almost never. Yes, your brain just got a neat little shelf system. Meet the words. Let's meet each word like it just walked into a party wearing a name tag. You repeat after each one. Sometimes in Hindi is.
कभी कभी.
Say it.
कभी कभी.
Always in Hindi is.
हमेशा.
Say it.
हमेशा.
Often in Hindi is.
अक्सर.
Say it.
अक्सर.
Rarely in Hindi is.
शायद ही कभी.
Say it slowly.
शायद ही कभी.
Tiny memory trick.
कभी कभी.
Sounds bouncy, so it feels occasional.
हमेशा.
Sounds steady, like a routine.
अक्सर.
Is short and frequent.
शायद ही कभी.
Is longer, because apparently rare things like taking their time. A funny tea shop story. Now let's lock the words into memory with a tiny story. Imagine a tea shop where everyone is dramatic for absolutely no reason. Every morning, Ravi enters the tea shop and declares, I
हमेशा.
drink tea. The shop owner nods because yes, Ravi says this every single day like he is announcing breaking news. Then Meera comes in and says, I
अक्सर.
drink tea, but not every day. Sensible, balanced, very adult. Then Arjun whispers, I
कभी कभी.
drink tea in the evening. Mysterious, casual, like a man with secrets and a biscuit. Finally, Neha says, I
शायद ही कभी.
drink tea. The entire tea shop gasps as if she confessed to living on moonlight and optimism. And that is your frequency ladder in one dramatic cup. Useful example lines. You learn faster when the words live inside real sentences. Listen, repeat, and steal these lines for your own life. Sometimes I drink tea in the evening. In Hindi.
मैं कभी कभी शाम को चाय पीता हूँ.
I always drink tea in the morning. In Hindi.
मैं सुबह हमेशा चाय पीता हूँ.
I often read before bed. In Hindi.
मैं सोने से पहले अक्सर पढ़ता हूँ.
I rarely drink coffee. In Hindi.
मैं शायद ही कभी कॉफी पीता हूँ.
She is always on time. In Hindi.
वो हमेशा समय पर आती है.
It often rains here in summer. In Hindi.
यहाँ गर्मियों में अक्सर बारिश होती है.
We rarely see snow here. In Hindi.
हम यहाँ शायद ही कभी बर्फ देखते हैं.
Mini dialogue with maximum drama. Let's hear the words in a playful dialogue. Yes, this conversation is more dramatic than necessary, and that helps memory. A. Do you go to the gym every day? B.
हमेशा.
No, I am not a fitness robot. I go.
अक्सर.
A. So, not every day? B. Right. And on rainy days?
कभी कभी.
I stay home. A. And leg day? B.
शायद ही कभी.
My legs and I are currently in a difficult relationship. Quick comparison drill. Now you sort the meanings in your head. I will guide you from most frequent to least frequent. Most frequent.
हमेशा.
Equals always. Next.
अक्सर.
Equals often. Next.
कभी कभी.
Equals sometimes. Least frequent.
शायद ही कभी.
Equals rarely. Say the latter with me.
हमेशा. अक्सर. कभी कभी. शायद ही कभी.
Your turn quiz. Time for a quick quiz. No pressure. Even your future fluent self was once confused by a T sentence. What is the Hindi word for sometimes? Answer.
कभी कभी.
What is the Hindi word for always? Answer.
हमेशा.
What is the Hindi word for often? Answer.
अक्सर.
What is the Hindi word for rarely? Answer.
शायद ही कभी.
Which word is stronger?
हमेशा.
Or.
अक्सर.
Answer.
हमेशा.
Which word means less frequent?
कभी कभी.
Or.
अक्सर.
Answer.
कभी कभी.
Memory challenge. Let's make this stick. Picture your week like a silly movie montage. On Monday, your alarm rings and you wake up.
हमेशा.
Too early. On many evenings, you
अक्सर.
check your phone. On some nights, you
कभी कभी.
cook something fancy. And you
शायद ही कभी.
clean that mysterious corner of your room. Be honest, the dust has legal rights now. Friendly conclusion. You did great. Seriously, that was a solid little jump forward in Hindi. Today you learned sometimes equals,
कभी कभी.
always equals,
हमेशा.
often equals,
अक्सर.
and rarely equals.
शायद ही कभी.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep repeating the words out loud, use them in your own tiny sentences, and come back to practice again. You do not need perfection. Just practice.
अक्सर.
And progress will come.